Massachusetts, birthplace of American liberty. 250 years ago, on April 19, 1775, at dawn's early light, the first shot rang out, which started the battle for American liberty.
Oh man, it's our Minuteman! 250! This is pretty cool!
To show that they would no longer buy fabric imported by Britain.
Oh my God. I didn't think it was going to be personalized to us. Oh my God. So cool.
Called upon a friend to make the agreed signal in the North Church steeple to show how the British regulars were going out of Boston.
Whoa.
Paul Revere said, "If the British went out by water, we would show 2 lanterns in the North Church steeple, and if by land, 1 as a signal. For we were apprehensive it would be difficult to cross the Charles River or get over Boston Neck."
Paul Revere did cross to Charlestown, where it was confirmed that the signal was seen. In town, he told them what was acting and went to get a horse from Deacon Larkin. In his words, "I set off upon a very good horse. It was then about 11 o'clock and very pleasant. I alarmed almost every house till I got to Lexington. The regulars are out. To arms!"
Wow.
The people of Lexington, men, women, children, free, indentured, and enslaved, knew the time had come for action.
It's so cool. Wow, it's so 3D.
Captain Parker, the regulars are just down the road. Sound the alarm.
There we go.